In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify dropshipping store. We'll go from free trial to a published theme using an AI store builder, and I'll point out tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your browser and searching for Shopify free trial. Click the official Start a Free Trial button, then sign in or create a new account. If you're brand new, pick a simple store name you can change later and confirm your country and time zone. The trial lets you build before you pay, so don't worry if you haven't chosen a plan yet. Inside your Shopify Admin, look to the left sidebar and open Apps. From there, locate Atlas AI Store Builder. Click it and proceed with install. Approve the permissions so the app can create pages and products for you. If a billing screen appears, choose the demo option first so you can test things without commitment. Once the app opens, try the demo. Then select the AI Builder and choose your website option or niche from the list. This sets the overall style and product context. Pick something that matches the audience you plan to sell to. Next, head to the website option you chose and find the product you want to dropship. Evaluate the listing carefully. Check images, variants, ratings, and estimated delivery times. Copy the product link, go back to the builder, and paste that link where prompted. The app will pull in details so you can fine-tune them. Now make your adjustments before publishing. Clean up the title, tighten the description, and arrange images so the best ones appear first. Set your price with a realistic margin and verify the compare at price only if it's truthful. Add a brief note on shipping expectations if the template includes that field. When everything looks right, click Publish Store in the Builder to send the content to Shopify. Return to your Shopify admin and open Themes. You'll see the builder theme the app created. Click Publish to make it your live theme. After that, open the theme editor to customize colors, typography, the header, featured sections, and your footer. Keep your navigation simple and remember to save as you go. When you're satisfied, head back to home, locate your theme, click Activate, and continue through the payment setup. Follow the prompts to connect your payment provider and confirm your business details. That's it. You've launched a Shopify dropshipping store using a free trial, an AI builder, and a polished theme. Pause the video and repeat any step as needed, and you'll be ready to start taking orders.